Hey friends, just wanted to hop on and show you what we have been working on this morning. Okay, this is our chicken yard, chicken coop, and this old building right here, we store their feed, our tractor, wood splitter, and those kinds of things in this old building. On the back side of that building, they have a coop, chicken run, that kind of thing, in a large yard they can run. Here is a tall green storage building where we keep excess lumber that we have cut from trees, Hurricane Helene trees. So we use that lumber on the farm when we need a piece of wood. Here is what I have been working on this morning. Digging. That is an old farmhouse standing there. This is on the side of our property, a couple of fields from the main house. So we're going to be tearing that old house down. So I have been digging today, tracing the lines. This end of the property has a deep well. Way over there in the corner where you see those mailboxes is the end of our property line. There at that corner, and there's a deep well over there. So we obviously keep power turned on this side of the property so that we can water the chickens and tend to their needs. So we're going to be cutting the pipe from that old house, and I think putting some sort of junction box or something. But anyway, a girl's work on 5 acres never ends. This was quite a task, digging to follow these lines. Let me see if I can get up and we'll show you what kind of mess it was or is. Trying to figure out what all these lines run and connected with during the days of its original installation to this old house. We acquired this property about 10 years ago. This old house was on this property. But anyway, they had a storage building out right in this area where the washing machine and dryer was housed. So thus all of these lines coming out from this old house. But anyway, this is what it means to say a girl's job never ends. A day in my life on the farm. So we did get this dug out, and there are lines running into lines here. I know that there's a main line because there was a spigot right here at the corner of this old building at one time. Yes, I hear you, big boy. Give you guys a look at the chickens before we sign off. Hey girls. Hey girls. What's up, big boys? And with that, Mr. Cock-a-doodle-doo says, have a fabulous day. And we are going to continue with another project here on the farm in time zone 9. Zone 9. It is a beautiful day today on the farm.